We are finally doing some power metal after all this time. Yes, power metal is a genre I really grew up with and enjoy a lot even to this day. And I'm super stoked that this particular band has released a new song that I can finally react to, because the last song I was not ready to do some reaction videos yet. So a band from Italy called Ancient Bards, who have been around since 2006 actually. They've been around for quite some time. And quite a few records as well. Very good and solid records. I personally got to know them with A New Dawn Ending that came out in 2014. After that, I'm going to be honest, I got a bit fed up with power metal. So obviously, you know how it is. Yeah, sometimes you just go through the maze, and yeah, that's just how it is, basically. In any case, I rediscovered them back in 2019 with Origin, the Black Crystal Sword Saga Part 2. Which was the follow-up for, obviously, a saga, a continuation of the story of their first record, actually. And now they are finally releasing a new record named ARTIFEX in April this year. A new song was out already, Soulbound Symphony. That was a banger song, a really solid, cliche power metal. But yet again, they do stuff a bit more modern, I feel. I feel this is the definition of an evolving and modern power metal band going with the time. And it's not like everything that reminds you of power metal, basically, yes, it is still there, but it's slightly different and more modern, which I personally enjoy a lot. And yeah, today I'm doing Ministers of Light of their new record, ARTIFEX. So I waited until this weekend to finally do it. So let's just jump straight into it, shall we? Ancient Bards, Ministers of Light, let's go.
What did they whisper into your soul? Was it demeaning? Was it cold? Did they persuade you?
Sara has just the right voice for this band. Yeah. Such powerful range also, and super low actually.
Darkness will get under your skin, pressing their fingers on your fears, silently lurking, their evil rites begin, twisting the truth while no one hears. Words that cut and heads that fall.
Heads that fall. I'm okay. Epic. Some epic stuff, for sure. Damn. Her range is just insane. Okay.
Looking for answers, we may have made mistakes. There are no thorns on our stem. They deem us misfits, they hope our spirit breaks. But the forsaken ones are them. Words that cut and heads that fall.
just so stoked.
Noctem illuminat, noctem illuminat, noctem illuminat.
Wow. Damn, bro, that was whew, shivers, honestly. Yeah, that was Ancient Bards, Ministers of Light. Damn, that must not have been easy for her to sing that. Some very challenging parts in there. And wow. I mean, this is totally different compared to Soulbound Symphony, the first single of the record. This is way more, slow paced and still epic as fuck, similar than Soulbound Symphony, but it shows her, what she can do basically. This is all Sara for you, and I mean, this will be for sure a record to watch out for, and I highly recommend you guys to check out Ancient Bards. I need to hear it again. Basically, this was quite epic and a lot of detail. At first glance, it doesn't seem as detailed, but I think a lot of detail went into this. Not necessarily into the video itself, but hey, an easy video speaks for good music sometimes, and this is definitely the case. The song is a serious statement for Ancient Bards, I think. And with that said, see you next time for the next reaction or podcast episode. Cheers.